Torrential slide value equivalent to 320.40 rands a coin. The present cost range, 317.31 322.95. The earlier day close, 321.68. The change was 1.28, 0.40%. Backwards rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 313 rands, high 335, low 291. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 316 rands, high 338, low 294. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 325 rands, high 348, low 302. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost 334 rands, high 357, low 311. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 335 rands, high 358, low 312. And multi-week torrential slide gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 321 rands, high 343, low 299. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, April 19, cost 329 rands, high 352, low 306. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 324 rands, high 347, low 301. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 339 rands, high 363, low 315. In about 14 days, torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 345 rands, high 369, low 321. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 330 rands, high 353, low 307. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 328 rands, high 351, low 305. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 328 rands, high 351, low 305. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 317 rands, high 339, low 295. And 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday, May 1, cost 334 rands, high 357, low 311. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 320 rands, high 342, low 298. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 341 rands, high 365, low 317. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 323 rands, high 346, low 300. Torrential slide figure on Friday, May 5, cost 330 rands, high 353, low 307. In about a month, torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 314 rands, high 336, low 292. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost 349 rands, high 373, low 325. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2023. To start with, cost at 315 rands, exorbitant cost 369, while low cost 291. The found the middle value of cost 323. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 317, change for April 0.6%. Torrential slide gauge for May 2023. At the outset, cost at 317 rands, excessive cost 379, while low cost 292. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 326. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 314, change for May 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 314 rands, exorbitant cost 338, while low cost 294. The found the middle value of cost 316. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 316, change for June 0.6%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 316 rands, exorbitant cost 316, while low cost 269. The found the middle value of cost 298. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 289, change for July 8.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 289 rands. Exorbitant cost 358, while low cost 289. The found the middle value of cost 318. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 335. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 335 rands. Exorbitant cost 335, while low cost 261. The found the middle value of cost 303. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 281. Change for September 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 281 rands. Excessive cost 281, while low cost 219. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 254. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 236. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for November 2023. Before all else cost at 236 rands. Excessive cost 286, while low cost 236. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 256. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 267. Change for November 13.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 267 rands. Excessive cost 273, while low cost 237. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 258. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 255. Change for December 4.5%. Torrential slide figure for January 2024. Before all else cost at 255 rands. Excessive cost 255, while low cost 199. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 231. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 214. Change for January 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 214 rands. Excessive cost 265, while low cost 214. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 235. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 248. Change for February 15.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 248 rands. Excessive cost 248, while low cost 193. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 224. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 208. Change for spring 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 208 rands. Excessive cost 208, while low cost 163. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 189. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 175. Change for April 15.9%. ZAR to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.3121 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3096 minutes.